Go to YouTube, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your avatar. Go down to settings, go over here to add or manage your channels. Click on it. Click on the big plus box that says create a new channel. Here, you're going to give your new channel a name by creating a brand account. For example, my brand account is How To Quick and Easy. So I'll go ahead and type that in. And click on create. And the new channel has been created. So now you go click over here under switch account. You'll see that you have your regular YouTube account, and now you also have a new channel with a brand account. That's how you do it, guys.